from SVT Garage. A little messy right now because we've been working on Sean's car. He brought it over here today. We're doing some maintenance stuff on it before we take it to Daytona in a couple weeks. For those of you that don't know the car, it's been on the channel a few times. It's a 2014 GT500. It's got pulleys, full exhaust, cams, E85, RXT clutch. It's making 860 at the wheels. So it's a fun car, it's stout. So today we decided to do some maintenance stuff, change the oil, change the diff fluid, brake pads in the rear, and just got the car up on the quick jacks to take a look underneath, make sure nothing's going on before we hit the road in a couple weeks. So we'll walk around, show you guys the car again real quick, and go from there. This car hopefully will be lining up with my silver car at some point in Daytona. Similar power, similar weight. Should be a good race. A modified GT500 versus a pretty modified Terminator. So I know we've kind of teased about it on the channel before. It's going to be happening here in a couple weeks. Both cars are pretty much dialed in where they need to be. So let's flip this thing around and take a walk around the car. I think deep impact blue is one of the best colors on these cars. So he's done some things to it since we had it on the channel last. He did all these caps. It's a full set. It's pretty awesome. This thing's super clean. See the Sprite bottle for the oil. We still got to put the oil in there. It's a little trick so you don't get oil everywhere if you don't have a funnel on hand. Cut the bottom of a water bottle off. But it has the Department of Boost super single heat exchanger. Doing new brake pads on it. Got the rear off right now. We also did diff fluid change on it. Car's got, I think, 40,000 miles on it. So we dumped the diff fluid. Got that all changed up. Friction modifier, all that good stuff. Wheel off on this side. Overall, super clean car. And it's well built. So when you guys are getting ready to take a road trip, I know most people probably don't drive these things very far, but we always, get everybody's car ready to go before we leave. Make sure that everyone's oil's changed, fluids are all good, everything's good, tire pressure's good, just regular maintenance stuff that you might not do when you're taking it out for a Sunday cruise. From here, where we're at to Daytona, it's like 180 miles or something like that. It's like a 2.5-hour drive. This car is on E85, but I believe he can also run 93 on it just by changing the tune with the, I think he can do it through the N gauge. I could be wrong. I'm not completely sure on these. I'm pretty sure it doesn't have a flex fuel sensor on it though. So he can go from 93 to E85 pretty easily. And I think he's gonna run it over there on E85 and just keep, we're gonna bring some, there's a few stops on the way that have it. And then once we get over there, we've talked to a couple of guys and they said there's plenty over there. When we went to the VMP show, the GPS changed our route on the way home. And I don't know if you remember or not, but I ran out of E85, literally. And Chris did as well. We couldn't find it. So I ended up having to flash a 93 tune on my car. And Chris already had one on his programmer. We were able to get home that way. But we're not going to make that same mistake this time. A couple of us are trailering our cars and we're going to bring some extra fuel with us. And then, we've got a good route mapped out as well. But, so yeah, just like I said, just basic maintenance stuff today. Something, most people don't do regularly. It's important. But got the Mobile One, diff fluid, Motorcraft oil, just some brake pads in the rear. Waiting on the brake pads to get here for the front. So hopefully we'll get that knocked out too. But I just wanted to update you guys with where we're at. This is one of the many cars we're getting ready to go. We still got to get Joe's car tuned. We got to get Robert's car running and tuned. My silver car needs a quick polish and a coat of XO. Chris's car has an exhaust leak at the mid pipe and some other things we're going to address real quick. Daniel's car is ready to go. I think the other Joe's silver car is ready to go. And then we got a couple other guys coming with us. This GT500, another GT500. We're going to have like 8 or 9 cars going over there, so it should be a good time. But anyway, just wanted to let you guys know where we're at. We'll catch you guys on the next one.